So today it's gonna be an unboxing time. So I'm going to unboxing this. It's the Quarq Bluetooth digital speaker. Actually, I was looking for a speaker so I can watch movie, but then I encountered this. So it's like a multifunctional speaker. It's a digital clock as well with Bluetooth. Okay, it's a clock. It has Bluetooth transmissions, TF cut function, HD call, persistent play, and built-in battery. This is the cable to charge it. Instruction. Codify certificate. Okay. I actually received this. I ordered with 3 battery, but at first I received only one battery, which actually I paid more just to have 2 more battery. But then I asked the seller about it, and yeah, the seller is very responsible, and they will send the other 2 battery to me as soon as possible, and I received it today. So I made the review today. Okay, let's see. Just press the on.
Bluetooth mode.
Okay, there are Bluetooth mode and there are FM mode.
FM mode.
No?
Bluetooth
I don't know how to
mode.
use that yet. Yeah. So to use the Bluetooth is actually super simple. You just like on the Bluetooth on your device, and if you connect before, it's very, you just connected. So this is the Q9. You just search for Q9 on your device and then pair with it.
Bluetooth has been connected.
That's it, and you can use it. So yeah, let's try the speaker. I'll open some music on YouTube. Well, actually the speaker sound is better than I expected, since it's multifunctional, and it's actually, the speaker is not the main features. So yeah. When I was using the only battery, that one battery, I used for like 2 to 3 hours continuously. I was using the Bluetooth functions, and I connected to my laptop, and I was listening to music for like 2 to 3 hours continuously, and then only I need to charge it. So with 3 battery, I think it can last for 6 to 8 hours. Yeah, even in the instruction paper also, right, it can last 6 to 8 hours. But you can buy it at a less expensive price for 1 battery. Actually, there are 3 options: 1 battery, 2 battery, and 3 battery. So I choose the 3 battery because I am lazy to charge it again and again. So yeah, and I'll put the shop link under the description, so you can go ahead and check out. Yeah, the seller is quite nice and responsive and responsible, so yeah, quite recommended. So let's try the speaker. So the highest volume is 30 only. It's the ads. Sorry. Is coming, sound is coming out from here.
Sorry, but things haven't been great since you left my arms. Stories that don't have an end.
Alright, and I've tried to use it to watch movie, and one of my friends said some of the cheap speaker might have some like delay problem or what, like the sound is not matched with the video. something like that. But I've tried to watch video with this one, and it's no problem actually. It doesn't have any delay problem or what. So yeah, it's cheap and quite good actually. Yeah, it's actually above my expectation. And yeah, I see the lighting. There are 3 brightness. So this 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, I want to do this. I'm waiting to do this. Oh, now that is satisfying. Alright, video brand new. So yeah, you see this little ear here, this cute little ear. It's functional. It's a phone holder. So yeah, you can put your phone. Maybe you can open some movies, and then you just connect it to the speaker, and then you can watch it like this. See? So cute, and it's functional. And you can set actually like 2 alarm clock. This first one, and then number 2, and yeah. Actually, the alarm clock is very loud, so it's very suitable for people who, you know, hard to wake up. So yeah, it's quite good actually. Recommended. So I think that's all. Thank you.